Salad tables were designed to give the gardening experience to people with either physical or space limitations. The original idea was to grow delicious greens, but salad tables are not just for growing salads anymore. The Pine Belt Master Gardeners have been recognized for their salad table project. Let me show how to get one growing. The first thing we need to do is fill it with growing media. We're going to use a good commercial potting mix. There's no topsoil or dirt here. Fill it to about 1 inch from the top. It's summer and the perfect time to plant tomatoes and peppers. Let's start with the Red Bell and Mammoth jalapeno peppers. Scoop out a hole in the mix and place the transplants. With both peppers and tomatoes, I like to plant deep as the plants will produce more roots along the stem. Now let's do the Heatwave determinate tomatoes. Scoop out a hole just like with the peppers. Be sure not to overplant the salad table section. I think 3 is the perfect number. Salad tables are also great for flowering plants. In this table, I'm going to plant some marigolds as companion plants because their pungent scent is reported to discourage a variety of insect pests. Now let's sprinkle some vermicompost to help with the nutritional needs. For more information, see the MSU Extension publication, How to Build a Salad Table. If you, for some reason, can't have a traditional in-ground garden, consider if a salad table will meet your needs. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.